Print Conductor 6.1, print CAD drawings effectively. Do you often print CAD drawings or technical documentation? Make it simple with newly released Print Conductor 6.1. We expanded the program's list of supported formats with MathCAD, MathCAD Prime and Solid Edge types of drawings. Added an ability to print multipage DWFX drawings. New scaling options for DWG, DWGX, DXF drawings. Ability to select a certain PDF print engine. New type of cover page and new cover page templates. Ability to print Word documents without any visible comments, insertions, deletions or formatting changes. New languages, Turkish and Brazilian Portuguese. Other improvements include, compatibility with eDrawings Viewer 2018, faster creating a preprint report, printing as image available in advanced settings, new miscellaneous tab in the settings, better scaling of the program's window. Fixed digital signature validation for PDFs with PDF Advanced Electronic Signature Standard, fixed printing of cover and report pages when display sizing is larger than 100%, faster adding of files to the list of documents with enabled pages column as well as other minor fixes and improvements. You can download Fcoder Print Conductor at print-conductor.com.